In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this sphere-based abstract art image. Let's press Shift-A to create a mesh circle. If you don't see that in the menu, please activate an add-on called Extra Objects. Tab to go to Edit Mode, and F to fill. We need to type I, as in India, 0.1, and enter multiple times in order to create multiple loops. Tab to go to Object Mode. Let's create a UV sphere with 8 segments and rings. Ctrl+1 to subdivide, and right-click to shade smooth. S to scale. Let's select the sphere, and Shift-select the circle. Ctrl+P to parent. Let's go to Instancing and select Face. We need to modify the circle a bit more. Let's select the circle, and Tab to go to Edit Mode. Let's proportionally bring the middle face down like this. Ctrl+A to make instances real. Let's remove the circle and the spheres in the middle. We need to select all the spheres, and Ctrl+J to group them. Let's create a usual gradient material by using the color ramp and the gradient texture node. Time to make the mesh to look far more interesting. Let's select the sphere loop in the middle, and proportionally rotate them like this. There is one more thing we can do, and that is to play with the camera settings like this. The idea is to zoom in, and decrease the focal length to create a cool stretching effect. It's kind of tricky to set this effect up, because we have to zoom in while concentrating at the center point. Almost there. I'll reset Shift, X, and Y back to 0 and start from the top view. This would make a cool looking animation. I'll create a background plane, and assign a metallic material. Please watch a tutorial listed in the description to match my final render settings, as I'm using a cloned look dev HDRI setting. Let's turn off Use Nodes under Compositing. I'll also use 32 samples to render. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.